the #3 kitchen brand in Australia. Designed in Europe. Feature packed at an affordable price.
Hi, I'm Glenn, National Service Manager for Euromaid Australia. Today we're here to discuss the 5 and 7 kilo Euromaid washing machines. So what's inside the Euromaid washing machine? Polypropylene outer bowl, made for its strength and longevity. The drive assembly is sealed in Euromaid's washing machine by a triple lip seal. This stops water from entering the bearings and causing failing in the actual machine itself, usually only ever found on high quality European washing machines. Euromaid's washing machines use a high quality variable speed brush driven motor. This allows for easy servicing and replacement of the brushes should they ever wear out. The brains of our washing machine is a single microprocessing board. No more complicated electronics here. These are a few technical specs on Euromaid's front loader washing machines. Thanks for watching, have a great day.
High quality, affordable, European. Euromaid.